Hi guys! Welcome to my cooking channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to cook Sarciadong Galunggong. Here's what we need for this recipe. You may pause the video to list down all the ingredients. First thing you need to do is to season galunggong with salt. Make sure that your fish is already washed and clean before doing this step. Season both sides of the fish. Heat cooking oil in a pan. Once the cooking oil is hot, add seasoned galunggong. Fry galunggong fish as usual. Once galunggong is fried, set it aside first. We will now make the sauce. Heat cooking oil in a pan. Once the cooking oil is hot, add minced garlic. Saute garlic until you can already smell its aroma. Add minced onion. Saute onion for about 10 seconds. Add chopped tomatoes. Saute tomatoes for about 10 seconds. Cover simmer for 3 minutes. After simmering, add salt, ground black pepper, ginisa seasoning mix, and water. Mix until all ingredients are well blended. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After simmering, add beaten egg. Continue to stir until the egg is well blended in the sauce. Add the fried galunggong. Cover and simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip the fish. Cover and simmer again for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, your Sarciadong Galunggong is ready to be served. Thanks for watching guys! Like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Bye!